Hey y'all, so you want to know what it's like to be the science and policy manager for Ogeechee riverkeeper? Well, one of the parts of my job are coming to places like this, different parks and stormwaters along Savannah to test their stormwater systems and looking for different type of pathogens and bacteria. So that's what we're going to do today. So when we pull up to an area to take a water sample, we want to take some observations. Like you can kind of see here, the little sheen on the water. Here looks like the grass was just cut. There's a lot of grass clippings over here in the water. But we take our telescopic pole with our roll pack on the end. After we got all gloved up, take our water sample, and then we're going to take that back to the lab to be processed. So the type of bacteria we're looking for when we sample these stormwater ditches and creeks are fecal coliforms. So we're looking for E. coli and Enterococci. We typically like to do this sampling after a rain event, so there's more water flowing through the system, and it could be potentially picking up these fecal coliforms from different types of runoff, whether it be from impervious surfaces or through people that have animals and chickens and whatnot. We also think there could be an issue with mixing and failing infrastructure, so sewage lines getting into the stormwater. So now that we're back in the lab with our samples, we are going to collect some data on those. So get like the conductivity, pH, salinity, that sort of thing from these water samples. And then we're going to run it through our quantity tray sealer. We're going to put a medium in it that the bacteria can feed on. And once they feed on that, they'll go in a tray like this one and go to incubator for 24 hours. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like once it comes out of the incubator. All right, y'all, so after the samples have sat in the incubator for 24 hours, they come out looking like this. They change from the clear water color, the medium makes it turn yellow. All the ones that are yellow are the total coliform. And then we use this black light box here to put this quantity tray in there. And every tray that glows is positive for E. coli. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So you can kind of see here, some of those are glowing, and the glowing cells are positive for E. coli. So we use these to get estimates for how much E. coli is in a 100 milliliter sample of water. On top of collecting and analyzing samples, one of my duties is to facilitate the maintenance of our litter traps we have around Savannah. I also frequently visit the state capitol to speak with legislators to advocate for more environmentally friendly legislation. And that is a day in the life of a science and policy manager for Ogeechee riverkeeper.